Good morning. It's another beautiful day, hot day today. And Philippe is gonna start working on the sides, installing the metal sides.
You can help me build the scaffold up? Is that possible? I'm gonna go get the ladder.
Okay.
Just to pass some pieces to me, so I don't have to go to the ground each time.
So he's able to finish that roof, and we're debating on how to do the railings. He wanted to put some plywood on the bottom part, but I said no, it's not what I like on the patio. So we're gonna do more research on that. But we're gonna install another 2 levels on the scaffold, so it's easier for him to do the sides of the roof.
I have to do something to hold the metal there, you know, so I don't be my next step.
You're gonna do it in each parts.
For each panel, there needs to be something that's gonna hold it. And then mosquitoes are like really crazy here
At the top.
because it's the shady side.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
even though I put a lot of freaking, and I'm hot already, like I'm overheating.
Why? What's going on? How's your hotspot below? Can we check?
I don't think I checked earlier. I didn't see anything, you know. But if we remove this, we can see, and if we see him lick today, but we won't see him. He'll be here, you know. So it's not a good time to remove it. Yes, more concerned about you, about your well-being. You see, when he does that, I think it's when he's in pain.
Really?
You know, when he was a puppy, he was doing that before puking. Do you remember that little thing he did?
Yeah. Below?
Fuck, there's a lot of mosquitoes here.
What do you
right?
feel?
Are they your friends? Yes.
Yeah, we cannot even hang out here because of all the mosquitoes, even though it's cool. Yeah? It's much cooler. But the loft is completely closed with screen, so it's nice to nap there. Mosquito proof. Let's check the progress. There's progress. Oh, you're already installing one.
That's number 2.
Number 2.
That's number 1 I have to adjust right now.
Why?
I want to try to place it higher. So
It can be higher than that?
do it anymore. I can't do it anymore. Okay. Yeah, I just don't like the way it is there. For some reason.
It's not high enough.
Well, I want it higher, but
But you're only on the second panel. You can still do it.
no, it's so I don't have access to this anymore.
Hmm. And it's easy to carry the metal.
What's gonna take a long time is the scaffold, because we're gonna have to do it
Yeah,
maybe 4 times, 5 times today.
yeah. The problem is this one here.
But this,
Look, it's by the awning.
yeah, I know, but I think I can manage.
You think it's not gonna be too far? I think it's gonna be far.
Babe, it's gonna be further, but there's no other fucking options.
Oh my god. That's too long. We won't have much view soon. Only here. But at least it's gonna be rainproof.
I don't like this, my love.
What?
I'm afraid.
It's moving?
It's just I don't feel safe, you know? Like I don't feel secure. I wish I was somewhere else.
Like where? On the machine.
Anywhere but on the scaffold doing this.
The machine is safer.
Stays against the strapping. I have to go up. I forgot to do the upper screws. It's so good.
I have to hold it here.
Yeah, yeah, perfect.
Be careful.
Can you push the top towards? Yeah, push that one. Okay. Not too much. Yeah, right there. Leave it there.
So we moved the scaffold for the second time now. That's the first one, the second one, and then we're gonna move it again 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 more until we finish this part. Oh no! Oh no! You're gonna be moving it only in the middle, because you don't need to put that there on the deck. Just the middle.
That's right.
Oh yeah. Okay. So my bad. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times. Or 5. Yeah, it's too hot. I need to check the chickens and the gardens. And I told Philippe to take a break when it's too hot. So he's inside and just cooling off. And then he's gonna go back to work and then take a break around 2 p.m. when it's too hot. Yes, I think it's gonna be 30 degrees today. Just worried that the plants are burning inside the greenhouse. We cannot even put shorts on outside. There's just too much mosquitoes. You can take a risk, but then they're gonna party on your skin. I'm wearing tank top because it's just too hot, but then I have to put mosquito spray so they don't party on my skin. So I think these guys are okay. I don't think they feel hot. They're kinda chilling right now. Check those guys there. How are you guys doing? Everybody's... Oh, hi guys. Is it cool there? Yeah? Everybody's happy? I'm gonna move this one here in the shade. I'm gonna change that later. And these guys here are fine. I'm gonna put this one, this board, so it's not too hot. Okay, you guys are good. I'll see you later. I think I have to pollinate the zucchinis. I always forget to do that. But the male flower is not really open. So how do I take the pollen to pollinate that female? I just hope they continue growing without pollinating them. I didn't pollinate them, so sometimes they die. But it seems like they're gonna be fine. The male flower there is closed, so I cannot really use it to pollinate this one. So I hope that works. Yeah, there's a lot of fruit. Yeah, it's not sure if you can see, it's 39.9 degrees Celsius in the high tunnel, and normally it's in an hour it's gonna be 40 something, and when it's too hot it's in error. It's not reading the, oh, see, it's 40.1 now. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so that's why I water the high tunnel every day in the afternoon, because it gets too dry there. I'm gonna check the greenhouse now and show you what's going on and the temperature. So I moved all the watermelons here on this side, and there is the squash here growing, you can see, and there's one zucchini here. So I water the greenhouse every other day, so it's the day to water them. There's also another one here. Yeah, the melons are doing good. I'm just gonna let them walk on the ground because I don't have a trellis. And this one I have to make sure it's here. The tomatoes are growing like crazy. The fan is not enough. We need a stronger one than that. But this tiny guys, I have two of that, and it helps a bit, you know, for circulation. Can you see those tomatoes? Yeah, it's like a jungle, tomato jungle. It smells so good. I don't have a proper, oh my god, I have to put this here. I have to make sure there's a stand for that, and I have to add this one. They're just growing like crazy, and when they get heavy, the trellis won't be enough to handle the tomato trees. So I have to keep adding something. So once we have a permanent bed, you know, there's gonna be a permanent trellis or something for tomatoes. 31 degrees right now. But this thermometer is near the door, so I'm gonna move it here. Yeah, I'm gonna move that there. It's lemon flower. So excited. That's what I do. I make sure I check the greenhouse, the high tunnel, and the chickens when it's this hot. And then in the morning, of course, I feed them and make sure they have water. So during the day, it's just to double check that everybody's fine and coping with the heat well. So I'm going inside. Philippe is still probably inside cooling off. And then continue working on the roof. There's a little clouds that's blocking the sun. That's so good.
Yeah, you can come up.
I can't.
Huh? Wall to roof.
Wall to roof. Oh, the yeah. You're missing one
I need
or
to
two.
put on the side there.
Oh no.
So otherwise it's gonna get rained. So
You
I'll
you
get
also
it-
need that on the dormers.
Yeah, on each side of the dormer.
Yeah, and plus here.
Here. Yeah. So I need 3 pieces. I know. Yeah, 3 pieces. Good job, my love.
So you're not gonna be able to do this? This
No,
side.
no, I can do one more piece at the front here,
Yeah.
but after that I have to stop. So I'm starting at the back first to see how far the screws take me.
Oh no.
And also at the back now there's no sun, so it's like easier.
Yeah. Yeah. He's missing the wall to roof. The one that's supposed to go there. And screws. Oh well. It is what it is. This is the only screws you have left?
Yeah.
That's not a lot.
It's not enough.
Yeah, but why didn't we get enough?
Because I was sure I had more than enough.
It's lunchtime. But I don't know why he's not taking a break yet. Oh, you're doing this? I thought you're doing the end there.
I think I left my bit there. I'll show you where it is.
Where?
So it should be down here in one of those spaces. Do you see it?
No.
No?
More screws. I don't see the bit.
I got it.
I have more screws for you.
I have one sheet that I might be able to do.
Only one left.
Yeah, because then we would have to move the scaffold here. But I have very little screws left, so it doesn't matter. It'd be just a few more panels. I still have to go get more screws. So
They don't sell that here in town.
it's the color, the match, you know. I have other colors. I have silver, but it has to be green.
Are you going on break?
I'm gonna finish this panel and the next, and I will. Actually, this is my last panel. There's no point in me trying to do the next panel. It will be risky from
Yeah.
no reason.
Okay, I'll wait inside.
Okay.
I have to eat.
Yeah, I'm coming after this.